Change machines were invented in the mid-1950s in response to the vending machine boom. They began as simple mechanical coin changers, converting a quarter into nickels and dimes. Today's modern machines can even convert $20 bills. Times sure have changed. It's like magic. In goes the bill, and presto, out comes the exact change. But behind the scenes, there's no sleight of hand, just innovative design and some pretty high-tech equipment. Production begins with the machine's cabinet. A computer-guided laser cuts the cabinet parts from a sheet of steel measuring 1 by 1/2 yards. Workers shake the parts free and push out the openings in the panel that will become the cabinet's front door. The parts are then shaped in a machine called a press brake. This is one of the door panels. The machine forces it against a die, bending the edge. These bent edges will strengthen the door and help it fit snugly into the frame. The laser cutter also makes a series of holes in another cabinet part. Then, workers press threaded studs into the holes. A vibrating feeder automatically dispenses the studs into the insertion machine. Now they bend the sheet, again using a press brake, and make the three-sided panel that will become the cabinet's sides and back. They attach the top and bottom panels. Then they position the cabinet on a computerized welding station and rotate the table. A robot makes precision welds behind a steel partition that shields workers from heat and harmful rays. Now they assemble the change machine's coin dispenser. It has 2 counter-rotating discs fitted to the diameter and thickness of a coin. They work together to seize and align the coins, then drop them into the coin chute. Workers set in these metal discs along with a plastic gear mechanism that rotates them. Then, they secure the parts on a fixture and drill holes into the gear mechanism. Roll pins are inserted to hold the parts together. Then, workers make sure the coin discs spin freely. The next task is to assemble the coin dispenser discs and gears. This is precision work. First, they set the parts in a metal casing. Plastic rings go around the discs to guide and support the gears. Then, they attach the gear train motor which powers the change dispensing discs. A plastic guide on the casing helps the coins drop in properly. Next comes the coin chute that guides the change out of the dispenser and into the machine's coin cup. The dispenser holds up to $800, which can weigh a hefty 45 pounds, so it needs a strong handle. It's locked into place with this tool called a ring fastener. Now it's time to put the whole machine together. First, an electric power supply is installed on the inside back wall. Next comes the bill validator and the coin cup. Then, the coin dispenser and electronic control board, the brains of the machine that calculates the change. Finally, on go the instruction decals. So, how do bills transform into coins? Let's open the door and see. First, the bill acceptor scans the bill's paper and ink, then stacks it in a box. The processor calculates the transaction, then cha-ching, exact change.